Hello, this is your July reading. It's Cancer season and a little bit of the Leo season towards the end of July. So to Cancer and Leo, shout out and happy birthday to you guys. For Gemini, I'm seeing here. For Gemini, it's you feel that there's something lacking in your life. And even if ang dami mo nang nagawa sa buhay mo, dami mo nang parang achievements na fulfill, parang may kulang, okay? Um, my advice would be for this month, Gemini, would be to go back to the basics. Go back to why are you here? What is your purpose? And if you try to tabulate kung ano yung reason why you are here, what you're do what why are you doing what you're doing, and trying to check or counter check kung ano na yung mga na-achieve mo, you'll see na parang, okay, marami ba naman pala talaga ako nagawa and na-fulfill ko naman pala talaga yung mga dreams ko. Okay? I guess also it will be helpful for you, Gemini, this month to practice the attitude of gratitude. So this has been your reading for the month of July. Comment below, subscribe, hit the notification bell, follow me on TikTok and on YouTube. And if there are videos that you feel might help you, feel free to browse my channel here. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!